everyone, welcome back to our AutoCAD beginner series. In the last lesson, we learned rectangle, polyline, erase, OSNAP, and navigation tools. Today, we'll explore 4 powerful editing commands: trim, extend, offset, and mirror. Let's get started. Part 1, trim command. Type trim or TR. Press enter. TR, press enter. Now, AutoCAD will allow you to trim any object and intersection between two objects. Let's say you want to trim this, you press on the mouse, on the left side of the mouse, and this one, this one, this one. You continue to trim all the segments that you want to trim it. You see now we have the object that we trimmed. Press exit to get out of the command. Part 2, extend command. Let's say I want to extend this segment to reach down to this segment, to this other segment. Let's type extend, or you can type EX. I want to extend this segment. See, you press on it. I want to extend this segment. I want to extend this segment. That's it for the extend tool. Now press exit to get out the extend command. Part 3, offset command. Offset is one of my favorite time saver. Type offset or just O and press enter. Let's type O, press enter. Now we want to see the distance that we want to offset this rectangle. Let's say I want to offset it by 20. Enter. So press enter. Now you go to the rectangle, press on the boundaries. You see you want it out. Now we have this rectangle is offsetted 20 millimeters from the smaller one. This command, the offset command, is great for creating walls, boundaries, or any parallel shapes. Part 4, mirror command. Let's do a mirror for this rectangle. We press mirror or MI. Mirror, MI, enter. You press on it, enter. You press the first point you want this rectangle to be mirrored to, and you press the second point you want to be mirrored to. Mirror line, press enter. Now it asks you to erase the object. Do you want to erase the original object or no? Either you press yes or no. Let's say yes, I want to erase it. I press yes. You see, I have this rectangle mirrored here. And that's it. You've just learned 4 essential editing commands: trim, extend, offset, and mirror. These tools will save a lot of time and keep your drawings neat and accurate. If you found this useful, hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and check out previous lessons in the series. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.